How to disable repost on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. First of all, open up your TikTok application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in and land on your home page, now navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Once you land on your profile page, now again head over to the top right corner and then tap on three-line icon. From this drop-down menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now under Account section, tap on Privacy. Now under this Privacy, in this Interaction section, keep on scrolling down and there you will get an option as Repost. So tap on that. If that option is turned on, simply turn that off, and by doing that your repost feature on TikTok will get disabled and none others in TikTok can repost your videos. So that's how you disable a repost on TikTok, and that's all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you in next video.